Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got an Asian restaurant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sats yet, Marty Sats is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market templates. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So usually I'd scroll to the top and search for my market. However, I can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Asian restaurants. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Asian restaurant so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name. Whoops. As well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where your Asian restaurant is located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy small business owners from all around the world using the platform. I'm going to leave the type of business template as restaurants, and now I'm going to go ahead and collect on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our phone number as well as our email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our Asian restaurant located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address as well as my postal code and move along. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? Assuming my Asian restaurant is only open for lunch and dinner, I'm going to say we open at 11 a.m. and we close at 9:30 p.m. on a Monday. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week for all your amazing Asian meals. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my Asian restaurants in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at the websites together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, really delicious looking too. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of all the amazing food you're serving up in your restaurant, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre written for you as a guideline, of course. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be walking you through each section to give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. You don't have to be a web developer or web professional. You don't need to hire anyone to help you either, and you certainly don't need to know any coding. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section over here. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to check the box to show email on my site. Email address is displayed at the top next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. The address we've previously put in the details. It's displayed in the top left hand corner, and when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your restaurants. Let's move on to social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms our Asian restaurant is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top as well as the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see all the amazing food your restaurant is serving up. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you've recently launched your business and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. My logo has been uploaded, however, I do want to adjust it ever so slightly. So I'm going to click on the pencil. I do want to crop it slightly just so it fits better in that section. I can as well zoom in, I can add filters, I can decorate it, I can add frames, flip it, rotate it, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, wait for it to re-upload because I've just cropped it, and I'm going to go ahead and save my logo. Awesome. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now, with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout the websites as well. However, perhaps this color doesn't go with your branding on your business cards, your logo, your menu. Maybe you've got a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I want something quite neutral for this. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my options. Let me take a look. Let's try this one. I think that could work, but I'm going to go ahead and try one or two more. Maybe an orange will work well. That looks fantastic, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. I can change it at a later stage. I'm now going to hit to update image. Now, if you've got some awesome images of all the meals you're serving, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and Mighty Sites will automatically search for Asian restaurants. However, I do recommend you change the terms a little bit and just try different words, keywords, and see what suitable images pop up. Just remember, all these images are completely free to use from the library. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Let's see how that looks. That looks absolutely awesome. I'm going to go ahead and leave that one. Now I'm going to head over to update content. Now over here, you can change the content, title, subtitle to suit your needs. Button, perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system like a third party. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to view our menu and choose a link. Now you can link to another website, perhaps like a third party that takes online orders. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email, or upload a PDF file, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to upload my menu here so my customers can check out my menu before they visit my Asian restaurants. I know I'm not the only person that likes to pre-select my meals before I go to restaurants. I literally log onto the website, check out the menu, choose what I'm having. So by the time I get there, I know exactly what I'm ordering. Awesome. That has now been saved. Remember, when your customers click on view our menu, it will automatically take them to that PDF file of your menu. If you need to make any changes to that button, the physical location, or the trading hours, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your Asian restaurant came to be, how you got into the industry, how long you've been serving delicious Asian meals to your community. Is it a family run business, perhaps with recipes passed down from generation to generation? Go ahead and pop all those details over here. I'm sure your customers would absolutely love to hear your story. If you need to make any other changes to that phone number, go ahead and do so over here. Now, if you have a custom domain for your restaurant, click on connect your domain and say, I already have a domain, and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, you will find a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head to the top, click on blog, and you'll find a step-by-step guide here on linking that domain. You'll also find a YouTube channel, a video on our YouTube channel, by the way, as well, if you're struggling. On our blog, you'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. I do recommend you check out our blog if you have a small business. There's such valuable information here in the various blog posts, so do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, click on our Once a New Domain. You can now purchase your domain via the MultiSites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your restaurants. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Remember, with the Mighty Sites free trials, you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. I know with a lot of online services I've wanted to try, they always want you to put your credit card details in just to try the service. Not with Mighty Sites, no credit card details. Just click on the link below this video, sign up for an account, and just give it a go. See how well it works. I really hope this tutorial is helpful. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. All the best.